Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with Luvme hair again. All right, same packaging as usual, clean, professionally packaged. So this is what is on the inside. There is a information booklet here about, you know, rewards and all that good stuff. I also got a rat tail comb, all right, which is branded. This is the wig. I got an edge brush and comb. We're gonna get a little bit more into the wig in a few. I got a clip, a drawstring bag, branded Luvme, and I also got these little like tags you can use. I got wig caps and then information booklet with how you can return, you know, return and all that stuff, that type of information. Now this is today's wig. It's a ash blonde ombre / natural black blonde cut bob, glueless minimalistic HD lace short bob wig. It's a wear and go. This is how the inside looks. A very breathable cap. Adjustable elastic band is inside for added security. There are combs on the inside and adjustable bands in the very back. This wig is gorgeous. I got this is 8 inches. I love the length. This is the front. Everything about it is very minimalistic. As I said, that is a part of, that's what it is, a minimalistic blonde cut bob. And it's, I love this type of blonde. This the ash blonde, the color job is so pretty and it's very easy to just go ahead and install. Perfect for my beginners. As you can see, it's not, doesn't have a deep graduation with how they pluck the hairline, but it still looks very natural and effortless. If you want, you could go in and pluck it more if you want a deeper graduation, so you can make note of that. But I love the construction. It's so neat. I feel like this is definitely a kind of wig you could definitely, like, you can get away with taking it straight out of the packaging, putting it on and going wherever you need to be right away. But you know me, I did a little bit of tweaks in the very front. I feel like I wanted to eliminate a little bit more of the cast that was there, so I did get my face powder and I went in and I just, you know, took my time to tap that on. Really nothing technical, and this kind of just gave it more of a melted look and just really made the area more discreet, very unnoticeable, so you can't really see that there is a line there to kind of say, oh, she's wearing a wig, you know. So that's what I did to really conceal the ear. And this is something, you know, guys know I always do when it comes on to my glueless wigs, to make everything look really natural in the front. All right, the wig, it comes straight and everything, and as I said, you could really get away with wearing this directly out of the packaging if you don't have the time to go ahead and style it. So I did go in with my hot comb to get the top even flatter. I didn't apply any product to it. As you can see, I just went straight in because it was already pretty laid, but I just wanted it flatter. So I just took my time and ran through that with my hot comb. And then after this, I went through the entire wig with my flat iron, not to get it bone straight, but to give it a little bit of bump. You know, that effortless curve, you know, to make your bob look like super, like, I don't know if you get what I mean. You're gonna see in a few, but I love, especially like a 8-inch blonde cut bob. Something about it is just so edgy and neat and sleek to me. I prefer 8 inches over 10 inches. Like, I still rock a good 10-inch bob, but 8 inches just give like that girl kind of bob vibe, you know? Yeah, I always love me a nice 8-inch, and this and the fact that it's an ash blonde, yeah man, ready for go outside. So I feel like they did their thing on this construction 100%. I did go in and I made the parting a little bit more visible, and you're gonna see that in a few. As the wig density is also 150%. I think that's the perfect density. You don't want it to be too full because you don't want it to look like a helmet on your head when you're working with like a very short blonde cut bob like this. You want to be careful with how full you make it. You want it to look natural and not too bulky, you know. And I feel like this is a perfect density for a wig like this. Yeah, I 10 out of 10 recommend. So after I did finish like getting it really nice and precise there with the parting, I went in and I kind of went through the entire wig with my flat iron. Look at that. Before I went in with to do that, like, I was just feeling the state in which the wig came out of the packaging, it is top tier. The hair itself is very silky. It's not dry, you know, like, because you know the hair is processed, you'd expect it to probably be dry. It's not dry. It's very nice and silky, so that is definitely a plus. So this is it, guys. Look at that. This looks like, you know, when you go, you say, okay, you want to cut your natural hair, probably give it some color, you want a really nice sleek blonde cut bob. It looks so natural. It looks so natural. Let me know what you guys think. This is the perfect special occasion type of blonde cut bob. Love me here. Y'all did your thing. Shout out to y'all. It's a 10 out of 10. I wasn't getting any shedding, by the way, if you guys are wondering. Direct link to this wig is down below in my description box. That's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.